Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to download and install Python 3.10.6 on Windows 10. Just go to any browser and type download Python. Click on download Python, and if you go down you will see these are the versions. Just look for 3.10.6. You can see 3.10.6. just click on download, and if you go down you will see files. If you have 32-bit you can select this. I have 64-bit, so I am going to select Windows installer 64-bit, and you can see Python is downloading. Now you can see the setup is finished. Now I am going to open the Python setup. Now you can select install now. You can also select customize installation, but before that just check the box add Python 3.10 to path and click on customize installation to make sure everything is checked. Click on next, and just click on install. Now close. Now if you want to see Python 3.10.6 has been installed or not, just type cmd in Windows search and just type Python. And press enter. You can see Python 3.10.6. Now open the Python 3.10.6 app and type print bracket close double quotation hello world, and press enter. You can see it says hello world.